The Hyundai IONIQ 9. Real-time technical assembly begins now on the E-GMP platform. Watch as every component materializes, connects, and explains its function in sequence. Aerodynamic silhouette. Drag coefficient of 0.26. Designed for maximum electric range. The body explodes into 12 major panels, aluminum and ultra-high-strength steel. Front hood, active pedestrian protection hinges. Dual-layer crumple zone structure. Driver door. Flush handle actuator. Side impact beam. Sound-deadening foam inside. Panoramic glass roof. Infrared reflective coating. Motorized sunshade opens and closes. All panels return to the chassis. The IONIQ 9 is fully assembled. Front bumper removed. Active air flaps. Dual radiators. Crash beam exposed. 22-inch wheel. Aero blades. Ventilated rotors. 4-piston brake caliper. Front MacPherson strut. Aluminum subframe. Damper piston valve absorbs impacts. Rear 5-link suspension. Frequency selective damping valve. Automatically adjusts to roads. 800-volt battery pack. 10 modules. 100 kilowatt-hour capacity. Thermal runaway protection. Cell-to-cell isolation. Cooling channels activate instantly. Front trunk. 75 liters of storage, integrated charging control unit underneath. Orange high voltage cables, braided copper shield, 800 volts to both motors. Rear motor, 160 kilowatts, permanent magnet rotor. Inverter controls current. Front motor, 100 kilowatts. Oil jets cool stator windings. Planetary gear set. Heat pump system. Captures waste heat from motors. Improves winter range. Steering column. Electric tilt and telescope. Torque sensor. Power assist motor. Dual 12.3-inch displays. Cluster and infotainment. Heads-up projection. Rotary shifter. Park. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. 15-watt wireless charging. Relaxation seat. Extending leg rest. Lumbar air bladders. Heating and ventilation. Bose premium audio. 12 speakers. Center channel. Subwoofer in trunk. 64-color ambient lighting. Panoramic sunroof opens. Fresh air flows in. Power tailgate. 580 liters. Rear seats fold 60/40 electronically. Vehicle-to-load adapter turns car into mobile generator. Plug-in appliances directly. Ultra-fast charging, 350 kilowatts, 10 to 80% in 18 minutes. Highway driving assist, front radar and camera, automatic braking for pedestrians. Dual-layer weather stripping on doors. Child safety locks on rear door jambs. Full-width rear light bar. 288 LEDs. Sequential turn signals. Modular service design. Battery, motors, suspension. Each component replaceable individually. Disassembly begins in reverse order. Body panels detach and stack neatly. Inverter lid opens. 6 IGBT modules. DC to 3-phase AC conversion. Battery configuration. Series parallel. 10 modules deliver 800 volts safely. Regenerative braking. Rear motor becomes generator. Energy flows back to battery. Full disassembly complete. Every component exposed on the gray workshop table. Reassembly starts. Battery bolts to chassis, high voltage cables connect to motors, body panels align, 3.5 millimeter gaps, verified by digital calipers. Systems check. Drives forward and back, steering turns, all lights flash. Specifications: 450-kilometer range, 0 to 100 in 5.2 seconds. Key advantages: 800-volt charging, V2L, flat floor, efficient heat pump. Explore the Hyundai IONIQ 9. Experience electric mobility engineered without compromise. Hyundai IONIQ 9. Electrified experience. From the brand redefining sustainable performance. Assembly complete. Technical demonstration finished. Thank you for watching the IONIQ 9.